As an accounts receivable clerk, organizing and maintaining a task list is important. Today we're going to look at using Planner. What is Planner? That is part of Office 365. We're going to look at setting up and assigning tasks and different views of tasks. Let's get started. So I've signed into Office 365. You'll notice one of the apps is called Planner, that it's available to me here. This allows me to create plans, organize and assign tasks, and share files and get progress updates. So I've launched Planner here. I've created a simple plan, called it AR Collections Month End. So in this plan, I have month-end tasks related to an AR clerk, such as run AR aging process. I've created one task already, and I can easily add another task by clicking this button. And another task you may have as part of the month-end process may be send out collection letters, as an example. So as part of this, I can also assign a due date. So let's set this for April 2nd, and I can assign it to a particular individual within my organization. And at this point, I've now created the task, send out collection letter. The other thing I can do with this is I can assign a priority list to the task. I can change the due date. I can change what bucket it's assigned to, and we'll talk about buckets in a second. I can also put notes associated with this task, or create a sub checklist associated with the task, or attach files, or even add comments associated with the task. So let's go back and look at one I created here for run AR aging process. You'll notice that I added a note. I also checked off this box that says show on the card, so that's visible on the card. This is, and I've also added a comment. Process takes 10 minutes to run, as an example. The other thing you can do with a planner board is this is a Kanban view of the board. As you can see, I've created different agent buckets, so I could easily add another different bucket here, and I can move tasks around from one bucket to another. Next, we're going to look at views that are available within the Planner product. So as I indicated, we can look at different views. So right now we're grouping things by bucket, but I could also change it and look at things that are assigned to me by other people, or assigned to different individuals within this board. You can see, switch this and look at different progress. So, not started, in progress, completed. I could look at things by due date. I also can assign labels to things, and I'll show you that in a second, or different priorities. So let's go back to bucket here. Let's go back to one of these, and I can assign a label, and we can say this is red as an example, just a different way of categorizing the different tasks that may be outstanding. I also can look at a chart view, so I can see how many tasks are outstanding, which bucket things fall into, who they're assigned. I can also switch to a schedule and actually look at a calendar with different tasks on that calendar. So different ways I can definitely see tasks that are assigned to different individuals or related to particular tasks. So this is AR Collections Month End. I could easily have another planner board that called something else. I could also create as many tasks as I want, move them around, and complete the tasks as they're done. I could mark them off. They come off here, and as you can see, it's now showing in completed status. So as you can see, Planner is a very lightweight planning tool with a lot of obviously feature rich as well. If you'd like to learn more about Planner and how you can use it in your organization, please contact Profit by visiting us at www.profit.ca.